Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. So I am just prepping the sink area, putting away some dishes this morning, and wanted to show you this new collection from Grove Collaborative. It's their new spring cherry blossom line. So I was inspired to redo my sink area using these fun products. So I hope you guys enjoy watching, and let's get started. So I thought I would do a quick little unboxing. I haven't really done one of these on my channel before, so I thought this would be fun and new. I always like watching people unbox things, so something gratifying about it. And this new line from Grove Collaborative is so fun. This isn't sponsored, it's just one of my favorite brands, and I just love all the seasonal things that they come out with, especially for the sink area. And since we've been spending a lot of times at our sinks lately, I thought I might as well make it look cute. So that is just a little tea towel and then some scrubby brushes. This is their new ceramic tray. So I think I've had the one that has flowers on it. I think I've had that for a couple years now, so I was super excited that they came out with a different one for the spring. So it's got little cherry blossoms and florals on it to go with the collection. And then some hand soap and the cherry blossom scent, which smells amazing. A little cute candle. I think it's like a grapefruit scent. I'll let you know if I like that after I light it today. And then these cute little silicone sleeved hand and dish soap dispensers. I love the little silicone bottoms so they don't scratch or anything and they don't move around. So I got the hand and the dish soap to match. And yes, I did wear pink because I wanted to match all the things. So I did plan that. That is just some wrinkle release spray. And then this is the new rose scent from Mrs. Meyer's in the dish soap. So I'm going to fill up that with this scent. And then I also picked up some glass straws. I think it was a free gift with purchase, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm excited to try those for my coffees. I'm going to start doing some iced coffees, so I like to sip out of straws when I do that. And then what is this? Oh, my little bubble up dish soap. So you have this little dish and you put soap in the bottom of it with a little bit of water. It has a little spring action, so you can just add a little soap and water to your brush and it lasts a long time. So here's just a quick little overview of everything up close. Absolutely love the towel. I love all these colors. And the cherry blossom scent smells amazing, and so does that rose scent in the Mrs. Meyer's. So I'm excited to use those as well. And I was in need of some brush replacement heads for my other little dish brush. So yeah, I can't wait. And over on my Instagram stories, I mentioned these gloves one time. I picked them up from Amazon. I think they were like $5 or so. But they're just these silicone gloves, and they have little scrubbies on them. So it makes it super easy to wash dishes or wash out your sink. So that's what I'm using here. I'll link those for you guys up in my Like to Know It app. So you can also get the link for that as well. And right before I took a little break to unbox all that new stuff, I went ahead and put some Bonami powder cleanser in the sink, and then I sprayed down the sink with some antibacterial just to let that sit for a good 15 to 20 minutes before I go in and scrub. So that's a little tip that I've been doing with my sink, is to put some powder cleanser so I can use that to clean, but also to put some, I think it was Method. Yeah, it was Method antibacterial spray. I'll link it for you guys as well. And if you haven't heard of Grove Collaborative, it's basically just a subscription service for cleaning supplies or household supplies. And of course, in this time of need, they're even shipping pretty quickly considering what's going on right now. So I do appreciate that. So if you'd like to get sign up and get 5 free products, I'll put my code up in the description. And just for signing up, you get 5 free products. So definitely check that out. So I need to go out in the yard and pick some more flowers, but because I didn't get to that today, I'm just going back to my little peonies that I picked up from Amazon. I'll also have those linked as well. And I'm also going to do a whole blog post about this area just because I thought it was so cute, and I'll just like to go into more detail when I do things like this. So if you like that, let me know in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching. This is a little overview of the sink. So I got my candle going, of course. Again, I'll let you know if I like that scent. A little scrub brush, and then the matching tray with the soaps. I love those little pink silicone sleeves. And some peonies, and then the little tea towel down below to match. I typically do not use these. I know they're really cute for videos. Sometimes I'll put them in a powder bathroom that doesn't get used, but on the day-to-day, I just use dish soap or dish rags. So yeah, I don't typically use those every day. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll have more details over on my blog at robynssouthernnest.com. Bye guys!